Alright, this is a Superlectric 20-inch box fan, model 2067S. This fan was made by Superior Electric sometime back in the mid to late 60s. I acquired this fan from Bo Mitchell in trade for a 1986 Lakewood P223 third generation. I'm getting this one. Actually, this was not the one I traded for. The one I traded for was a P223 in the box from 1980. He threw in this one, and a Galaxy 2150 as a bonus, but I have not got the P223 or the Galaxy yet. This was the first one he shipped out. Obviously, this fan's got some horrible rust issues. Physically, though, the way it runs, it's perfect. Just cosmetically, it's kind of really, really bad. Especially this side. That's just horrible. So this fan's going to need a bunch of painting and frame straightening, and I'm going to have to do something about that switch plate eventually too. Anyway, that's it for this video, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a video of this fan when I actually have it clean.